World Radio 137, Australia. World Radio 137, 219, 219er, San Francisco Bay. 219er, San Francisco.
Hey, no worries there, 219 from the team friend. Hey, 219, you're coming through nice and clear. Everyone's jumping up and down, but I can only pull them through when I can hear them. And 219 looks like it's going to be the best right now. So World Radio 137, handler Dan. And we're about two-thirds of the way up to the tropical part of Queensland, Australia.
Roger that, 137 Australia. Hey man, check out the YouTube channel. You could hear yourself. Macintosh 219 on the YouTube, over. Roger, it's under Macintosh 219 on the YouTube.
Signal across to you guys. We've been working away for a little while now, a few months to get this station up and running. And just put up a little base on 3-element beam. Latched onto the side of the coconut tree next to in the northeast direction towards you guys. So that's how we're running it. Thanks so much, 219, dear friend. Have a great day. I'll get a few more before I hit the bed after the night shift, over.
Roger that, 137 World Radio. Yeah, thanks for the comeback, man. 73s. Again, if you want to check out your signal, go to the YouTube Macintosh 219 and you can check out your signal. Pretty strong. It fades in and out, but hey, man, you're making 8,000 miles. So thanks again, 73 219 Macintosh.